what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today is an unboxing day. So join me in unboxing the Desview camera monitor. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this time it's gonna be an unboxing video. We will be unboxing the Desview R6 UHD for ultra high brightness. This one is a camera monitor, so let's go ahead and start the video. Alright, let's go over the box. This one just arrived earlier today. So this is what we will get. A 5.5 inch, I believe, camera monitor. So it supports, I believe this is touchscreen, 4K HDMI. It also supports loading 3D LUT, and it also supports HDR. This one though has a 2800 nits of brightness. So from what I've read online and seen in YouTube, this one is very bright. So we'll find out later. Here it says 5.5 inch UHD touchscreen monitor. And interesting, they have listed some of the features here as well at the bottom. Let's go over them. So this one has a resolution of 1080, weighs around 240 grams. It has exposure assistance like false color, focus, scope, and waveform. And again, 2800 nits of brightness, very good for outdoor use. And this one also supports NPF or E6 battery. I got batteries as well earlier, but it did not come with the monitor, so I had to purchase it separately. Again, it supports loading LUTs. I believe this one has an included SD card that has preloaded LUT. We'll find out. 178 degrees viewing angle. Ports log. I think this one also has a USB. I think this is what it means by U-disc. Not sure, but we'll find out later. Again, HDR support. This one can be powered, I believe, via DC input, and also the batteries, Sony batteries or Canon E6 batteries. I think that's it for the outside. Let's go ahead and open the box. Alright, very satisfying. Let's set this aside for now. Alright, on top you'll see this is like a foam-like material for protection. Very nice. And we have a manual right here. It comes in multiple languages, but there's also an English language here. So good. So we'll set this aside for now and we'll check it out later if we need it. And here comes the monitor. Pull it out. And let's set this aside for now, and let's check what else is inside the box. So we have certificate, interesting, silicone gel, a cloth so that you can clean the screen, since this is touch touchscreen capable. So we will need this later. Oh, nice. We also have a USB. I think this is for updating the firmware. Not sure yet, but good thing this is already included. So let me just get this in focus. Again, this is the cloth. We get a cold shoe mount so that we can attach it on top of our camera. Very nice. This one attaches to your camera or to the monitor. This one attaches to your camera. Right. I think the quality is good. It's matte black with the Desview logo right here. What else is inside the box? We get an Allen wrench. I'm not sure what is this for yet, but set this aside. We might need this later. I believe this is cable. It's an HDMI cable. Full-size HDMI, and is this micro? Yeah, I believe there's micro HDMI. Not sure, but you can let me know in the comment section. Another cable. This one is a full-size HDMI and a mini HDMI, I believe. Alright, very nice. And that's it. Alright, so this is what we get. Alright, so this is what we get inside the box. Now let's go over the ports and the button of the monitor. So let's start at the bottom part. Here you have a quarter inch. This is for your tripod or for the mount. This one. And USB port type A. And we also have a DC out. I believe this can be used to power your camera. A headphone jack. Now on the side, you have your HDMI in, a DC in case you don't have a battery, and an HDMI out. But just take note, this doesn't come with a DC adapter nor a battery, so you need to purchase those separately. Now at the top, just the power button and a vent right here, because I believe this one has a fan inside. And on the other side, just vent and another quarter inch jack. Very simple. Alright, let me try to power this on. Let me get my battery. So this is the battery that I was talking about earlier. I got the NPF 960 Sony battery. Or not really Sony, this is from Wasabi Power, but Yeah. So let's go ahead and attach this one right here. Yeah, I think that's it. There you go. There you go. Power. So we don't have anything yet because it's not plugged in to our camera. Let me go ahead and try to attach it, see if the HDMI cable is long enough. Alright guys, so unfortunately the HDMI cable is not that long, but I tried to play around with it for a little bit. So brightness is good. You'll see if you press the screen, it will show up all your options. So right here, the first part, you'll see the menu system. So I know it's not that clear, but you'll see exposure assist, focus composition, and other stuff. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. And if you're interested and if you want to know more about the Desview camera monitor, I'll put links down in the description so that you can check it out. That's all for today. Thank you so much for being here guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. Like if you like the video, and please consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. And that's all for today. Again, this is JD, and thank you so much for watching. See you around.